When you hear the word contract, it might sound complicated or intimidating, but most business contracts are simply written agreements that answer a few basic questions. Who is involved? What are they agreeing to do? And what happens if something goes wrong? Let's walk through some key terms you'll see again and again. First, the basics. Every contract needs an offer and an acceptance. An offer is one side saying, "Here's what I'm willing to do." Acceptance is the other side saying, "Yes, I agree to that." Next is consideration. That's the value being exchanged. It could be money, services, products, or something else of value. Without consideration, you usually don't have a binding contract. You'll also see the parties clearly named. This section spells out who exactly is involved. Make sure names, company details, and contact information are correct. Then, look for the scope of work or services. This is what each side is actually agreeing to do. The clearer this is, the fewer arguments you'll have later. Payment terms are another big one. How much will be paid, when, and how? Are there late fees, deposits, or milestones? Always read this part carefully. Many business contracts include confidentiality or non-disclosure clauses. These explain what information must be kept private and for how long. Termination clauses explain how the contract can end. Can either side cancel? Do they need to give notice? Are there penalties? This is important to know before you sign. You may also see limitation of liability. This limits how much one side has to pay if something goes wrong. Dispute resolution says how problems will be handled. Will you go to court, mediation, or arbitration? And in which city or country? The governing law clause tells you which region's laws apply to the contract. Near the end, look for sections about amendments and the entire agreement. Amendments explain how changes must be made. Entire agreement means what's written here overrides side conversations or emails. And of course, signatures. A contract usually isn't effective until all required parties have signed. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Contracts can be complex, and laws vary by location. Always consult a qualified attorney for advice about your specific situation. If you'd like to create clear explainer videos like this for your own business, head over to vidfactory.ai. You can make your own professional animated explainer videos quickly and easily, even if you're not a designer.